So in today's video, we have the Ipsy bag for the month of April, and this is how it came. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and see why is this package so big, get your mind out of the gutter. Then keep on watching. All right, like I said, we are doing the Ipsy bag for April 2022. And where's my knife? I'm never prepared. And I think I got some add-ons, but I don't remember because I know on the Ipsy Plus I got add-ons, which I already filmed that video. I will leave it down below. Really quickly, so I have a second channel called Just Anne's World, and I started this new like walk and talk where if you don't know what's going on with my health, I will leave my channel down below, and I'm trying to do a little bit better. So I've been walking and I've been vlogging, taking you guys with me. So if that is something that you're interested in, if you want to see my neighborhood, whereabout I live, you know, and then just hear me talk, I will leave that channel down below in case you're interested. But I just got these like the other day. Like I'm getting all of my subscriptions pretty late in the month. Today is April 20th when I'm filming. And yeah, the bag's way up on top. And what in the world? Oh, okay, I remember now. All right, so I got everything out. This is, it doesn't, I mean, I don't know. Okay. Should I start over? You can always tell when I haven't filmed in a while. Anywho, this is the bag for the month of April. It has the daisies on it, which is very, very pretty. It has a little picture of the daisy right there. I don't see a card. Oh, here's the card. So it says, "Keep Growing" is the theme for April. Oh, and I have all my stuff inside. So that's good because I can't find my other phone. And yeah, I guess everything's just real tiny in there because I was like, it doesn't feel like everything's in there. All right, and when I tell you, wait till I show you this stuff. All right, so if you don't know what the Ipsy bag is, it's $13 a month and you get samples. Occasionally you will get full-size items. Most of the time you get like deluxe size items, and then sometimes you get samples. And this month we got some samples. So the first thing is this little bitty thingy. And what are you? What you be? It says Deer Beach Glossy Lip Oil. And it says this is a deluxe sample is what it's saying. Yeah. And full size would be $25. So this is probably about $2. And I like when the lip oils are like that. Let's see if it's like clear. I'm scared to like push too much out. And yeah, it's just like a clear glossy lip, which I enjoy. I always wear these every day, like over a matte lipstick or what have you. So I'll use this up in about 2 days, which it feels nice and it doesn't feel like sticky, which it is a lip oil. The only thing with lip oils, they just go so quickly. It's like as soon as you put them on, you count to 30 and it's gone. You know what I mean? So you just have to always keep reapplying, but I'll definitely try it, you know? Okay, so the next thing is from Lottie London. This says AM to PM retractable liner in velvet. This is full size and retail value is $5.95. And I don't think it's black. So let's open her up. Let's see. Is it? Oh, it might be. I don't know. It's one of the, you know, like retractable, like it said. Let's see. It looks like a purplish black. You know, like if you're looking at it, it might look black, but it's like a dark purple, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So I'll definitely try it. It's better than being like jet black, because it seems like that's all we get is black, you know? Okay, so we have that. The next thing is from Glow Recipe. I've tried this because I got this in my other, the one that's gifted to me every month, and I used it all up and I liked it. So I'm glad to get another one. This is from Glow Recipe. This is like my favorite skincare brand. And this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Of course, this is sample size. And it says deluxe sample, and the full size would be $24. And this is more like a face serum, you know. Let's see what it says. It says part face serum, part highlighter. This lightweight gel multitasks like no other. Niacinamide and watermelon extract come together to help fade dark spots and smooth the skin texture. Okay, it has a dose of hyaluronic acid. It helps instantly plump and hydrate your skin for a glass-like glow. I didn't notice any like plump and all that stuff, but it does have like a sheen, like a satiny. It makes your face look, you know what I mean? All right, so we have that. Two more things. The next thing is from Hey Honey. I love this brand, Hey Honey. And this is a heel repair cream. I think this is what I picked. This is a deluxe sample. Full size would be $20. Yeah. And it's a foot cream. And if you don't know, I'm diabetic. And so and I like to walk barefoot all the time. Not outside, but like in the house. And so I always have to keep stuff on my feet, you know, so that way it doesn't get dry. So anything that I see for the feet, I always get. And you'll see one of my add-ons that I get all the time. So it has a safety seal. I want to see how thick it is. You know what I enjoy at nighttime? I put, after my shower, I'll put on a foot cream and then put my socks over it, you know? But then when I go to sleep, I have to take my socks off. Let me know down below if you're the same way, because I cannot sleep with socks on. I don't care if it's minus 30 degrees out. I don't like having socks on my feet when I'm sleeping. It's I start sweating, you know? Okay, so it's a regular cream, and it has a minty smell to it, but it is, you know, it's thick, you know. I like a little bit thicker, but you know, it's nice. I like it. I'll definitely use it. There is nothing from Hey Honey that I've ever got that I disliked. I really like this brand. All right, and last but not least is this. It says Fair Eyeshadow Duo in Bloom and Wildflower. This is a deluxe sample. Full size would be $42. Whoa. So this has 2 shades in it, so that way you get to try the formula. And it looks like that. Right there. And there we go. Put it right here. Oh, that was surprising. This is a peachy color, but if you look inside, I guess it looks peachy, but for some reason I thought it was going to be more paler. So that's just going in one time. Let me go again. This is 2 nice colors together. I would use this. A one and done, you know, put a transition shade and then deepen it up and call it a day, do mascara, and I'm done. I definitely would. This is really, really pretty. Okay, so let's recap everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag, and then we'll go over a few of my add-ons. So I got the Farrah eyeshadow. I got the Lottie London, right? Yeah, Lottie London liner. I got the Hey Honey foot cream, which I'm most excited about this because summer's coming and your girl's feet got to be right. Then we have the Glow Recipe, the Dewdrops, which like I said, I tried it. I mean, I only got a few uses, you know, because there's not a lot in here, you know, so I wanted to try it out. I use it at nighttime really for my skincare because I'm combination. So during the day, I couldn't use that, you know. And then we have this Deer Beach glossy lip oil, which I'll try, you know, I'll get a few uses out of it, see if I like it or not. So overall, what do I think of this bag? So we have 2 makeup items and 3 skincares. Even though this, I'm very excited for this foot cream. So I'm not mad at it, you know. I think it's a pretty good bag this month. I'm never upset with the small bags, the $13 bags, because it's $13 and I already know you're going to have sample sizes, right? So I'm never really disappointed, you know, unless it's all skincare or something like that. So I don't think it was that bad. I think if I had to rate it from a 1 to a 5, 1, I want to throw it away, 5, and doing cartwheels. Probably about a 3, I'm right in the middle, you know, it's not too bad. And I definitely had worse. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you. So the first thing that I picked was this. So this is from Barefoot Scientist. I get these every time I see them. And these are it's called Moisturize and Renew. And they're little foot thingies here that you just put on your feet at nighttime. And I use it about 5 times, I guess, and then I don't use it anymore. And you don't have to put lotion or anything on your feet. You could just put these on, you know. And I don't sleep with them because I don't like anything on my feet. But right after my shower or whatever, or sometimes like during the day if I'm just watching TV, I'll put these on, you know. And they are reusable. So I really, really like these. Every time I see them, I get them, you know. I don't pay full price for them, but I get them every time, like, they're on sale. So I'm glad to get that. And then the last thing I got, this came in a set. So this is from, I can never pronounce this brand, Trezeuse. So it comes with the lashes. And then you have brushes and the eyeshadow palette. I really wanted the eyeshadow palette, but it came like all together and it was like pretty cheap. I can't remember. I think it was like 18 bucks or something like that. So I already have these brushes. So I'm just going to show you real quick. Oh, it comes out really nice and neat, like in tissue paper. Do I have these ones? No, I don't. So this is the full set. You get
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. All right, let me take them out really quickly. That way I don't waste too much of your time. All right, these are what they look like. And can I just tell you, I love this color. Oh my God. It's like a purplish blue and it's so beautiful. Like, I just love it. My favorite color is turquoise, right? But I don't know. I actually like this color a little bit more. It's so pretty. All right, so you get this type of brush right here, and this is just how I like it. It's like soft and dense. And what I would use this for is if you ever have like a line that, and it's hard to blend, or you just want to do it really fast. Like I have a crown brush that I use all the time, and that's what I would use too because it's dense, but it's not so, it's soft too. Do you know what I mean? So I would use it for that. And then right here you have some like blending brushes, and this is a little fan brush. You can use it, you know, to highlight above your eyebrow or your cheeks, anything, you know, you can use it for that. But that is pretty cool to get all these brushes. Okay. And then this. I've been seeing this a lot and I never like bought it yet. I think it's Becky G's brand. I'm pretty sure. I do have some of like the little ones that you can get from Ipsy, this brand. I think it comes with like 4 or 6 eyeshadows, but I wanted to get the full size one. Oh, let me just show you. What does it say? The I Am palette. Ooh, it's pretty. All right, so you have a nice mirror. Wait till I show you this. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. That blue is what drew me in. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? All right, let me just swatch a few just to see. I mean, look at that. That's just going in one time. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna use this next when I do my makeup. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with the stuff that I bought and my bag. Let me know what you got. Are we bag twins? Are we not? Let me know do you still even get Ipsy? Let me know down below. And also let me know if you're excited for the Ipsy X this month. I have my, you know, opinions on that, but we'll get to that next, and well, when I do the Ipsy X. But anyway, that's everything. Like I said, I will leave my second channel down below. Check it out, see if that's something that you'd be interested in. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know if you're enjoying my second channel, the Walk and Talks. Let me know. And yeah, that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. These are really pretty, these brushes. I really, really like it. I'm like satisfied. I really don't have anything negative to say this month. I know. Surprising, isn't it? Yes, it is.